The October boxes are back and we got new goodies included in these October boxes. And if you know from previous years, they go like hotcakes. Like they're gone. In about a week or two, they're like sold out. And this is a special selection of products that we only drop once a year. So do you remember when the pink boxes used to come out in October? Well, we got a new box for you guys and it's sitting right over here. It is a brand new, super cute box that you guys are going to absolutely love. I mean, look at the color. Isn't it so cute? And this is a limited time deal. Like these deals with these boxes are absolutely amazing. And like I said, they only last like a week or two because you guys just scoop them all up. So when they drop, and then they're gone. You want to take advantage of these. And let me tell you what new October boxes we have for you this year. So our number one bestseller year after year is the Ayurvedic Hair Growth Bundle. That includes in this box bundle these 3 essential Ayurvedic herbs. You've got your aloe vera powder, you got your cassia obovata, and then you got your amla powder to make the ultimate hair growth masks and treatments for your hair. This is gonna be gone in maybe days. And this bundle will be selling for only $19.99. And next up, you're gonna be getting 3 of our best-selling Red Raj organically certified henna powder, 3 of these in a box bundle for only $24.99. And you want to get these because not only is this our bestseller, but if you know how fast these go and how often they go out of stock, you definitely want to stock up, get these in that cute box, buy a couple for your friends and family, give the gift of giving. And you can even store like some of your like extra Ayurvedic herbs and treatments and hair goodies, maybe ribbons and like ties and clips, like anything that you're using that you need to store some items in, you could use the box for that because it is a good quality box that you can keep. But you need this one for the best spray coverage, the best red hair color, and it's just organically certified. It's finely sifted, rinses out of your hair so easily, and it behaves like a protein treatment, so it's very strengthening as well. So get you these Red Raj, 3 of them in a box bundle for $24.99. This beautifully handcrafted artisan bowl from Morocco, specifically the city of Fez, is gorgeous for all your like masks and treatments, like small ones that you want to like mix up and just use a small quantity of, like the Hennasooq clay, because that's the next bundle that we got for you guys, is the Moroccan Beauty bundle. So you get this beautiful bowl, the Hennasooq clay for like really detoxifying mud mask treatments, great cleanser for your hair as well, to like really give your scalp a very good cleansing, you know, without stripping away a lot of the natural oils that are already in your skin and your hair, and giving it such a great cleansing treatment and really pulling out any of the impurities in your hair and your skin. And along with that, you're gonna get your Moroccan hair tea, which is gonna be used to reduce shedding, and it's gonna strengthen your hair and your scalp. It's gonna add a lot of moisture. That means they're stopping the breakage. If you're having hair loss, hair fall, this is perfect for you because you're gonna infuse it in water as a rinse or a spritz, or even in an oil for a hair growth oil. And you can do a combination of water and oil to make a DIY serum as well. And all the herbs are native to Morocco that promote hair growth as well. And so this is a great hair tea for your hair that's also very, very gentle. And with these products, you're gonna need your moisture to moisturize your skin and your hair. That's very rich in vitamins and minerals and just really penetrates the hair without making it feel greasy. This is one of the oils that I swear by. Like it just is not greasy and heavy, leaving you just feeling like sticky and you know, just uncomfortable and looking like you didn't even wash up at all, right? And that would be the Argan Serum Oil. So this is what you need, and it's heat protectant as well. So if you still use heat, this is really good for your hair, and it also just it just nourishes your skin, like fine lines, and just giving you exactly what you need, all in this Moroccan Beauty treatment. And this box is only $39.99. And it's the perfect time for upping your moisture game with honey treatments. So in this next bundle, we got 3 essential products that are good for just giving your hair more fullness, more body, and just making it not feel as thin. So if you have fine hair strands, this is perfect for you. You're gonna get your Infused powder, which you're gonna use as a mask. You're gonna balance that out with the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher for deep conditioning honey moisture treatment just for your hair. I mean, this is the good. I swear by this. This is really very good for dry hair. And because of the honey, it's a natural humectant, so it's gonna draw in moisture. And then you're cleansing with the Sweet Honey shampoo bar. So these are easy steps. So basically you're gonna cleanse your hair, you're gonna do your Infused hair masks from one of our great videos right here on YouTube. We have a lot of treatments that you could do that are so easy. And then you're gonna deep condition with our Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher. Again, a complete treatment that's gonna leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, easy to manage, detangled. I mean, you're just gonna feel absolutely amazing because these are just moisture rich treatments that you're going to be doing, and it's perfect for the dryness that we're heading into with this fall and winter. And this bundle is only $24.99. And last but certainly not least, and it's new for our October boxes that we've never had before, these essential Ayurvedic hair masks, ready to use. Like, you don't have to add anything. They are ready to use, like literally. They are in liquid form. These masks are just apply them on clean hair and you're ready to go. So why these 3? Why are these 3 in particular essential? Well, first of all, Cassie & Curl's Moisture Mask is gonna be a very good cleansing, curl enhancing, and defining for your hair strands. And it's also going to promote hair growth because it has cassia, amla, and aloe in it. So just enough slip as well for that moisture that you need. Then when you're focusing on your scalp, because you want to promote that hair growth and you want herbs that really do focus on your scalp, it's this one, the Ayurvedic Scalp and Root Mask, because it's got the Brahmi and the Bringraj in it, which stimulates your hair to grow. So, and any scalp issues that you have, say goodbye to them, because this mask is going to be all you need to get you back to where you need to be in that healthy hair care situation. And then last but not least, if you have fine, delicate hair strands, and you also again want to promote that hair growth and you want to give some elasticities to your hair, then the Infused Moringa Mask is for you. Yes, so this is an essential bundle of hair masks that are going to give you everything that you need to get to your hair goals like now. And this essential box that you're going to need for your Ayurvedic hair care goals is going to be only $24.99. So these October boxes literally will save you at least 30 to 50% off these products that are at the regular price. So it comes in a cute box, makes a great gift. These are specially curated by me for you guys because I know you love the October boxes, you know, so this is gonna help you get to your hair goals. This is going to get you right on the right path of like starting a regimen, getting ready for fall and winter, or if it's a little dry in your area, like this is exactly what you need to start with. So get these because like I said, they're gonna be gone really quick. I wanna thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. I really hope you love the new October boxes that we have for you this 2023. And I'm gonna see you next time. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you get all the notifications of our really great videos that I have coming out for you. So thank you again for all your support all these years. I will see you soon.